Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nashville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with bursts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
That's 2 EASs.
Locations in severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, west central Wilson County in northwestern Alabama, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight. 1:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near the floor of a building. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscle Shoals, Russellville, Tuscumbia, Red Bay, Phil Campbell, Liverville, Lake, Green, Isla, and Hodges. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lawrence, Alabama.